guys, this is Gabe Games. We are here with another awesome video. Okay, today I'm gonna be a tutorial how to make an outro for your video. So there's the intro, like with the game, like you guys already saw with the da 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 da, and there's the intro at the end, like whatever. So I'm gonna show you how to make an outro for your video for free from a website. As this website, as long as you have under 1,000 subscribers, you will you can make any intro for free, outro for free. If you have more than 1,000 subscribers and you're looking at this video, this video probably isn't for you unless you're able to pay to use this, unless you're willing to put in money to make your outros. So you can see I am logged into my account, and we are gonna go. So first of all, we are gonna go. So what you do is go to outros. So mine is loading. So this program will help you make an outro for free, and it gives you a 7-day trial. I'm already down to 3 days, so that's why I wanted to make a video now. Before my time ends, I really actually did want to make a video to help you guys, for you new gamer YouTubers. So let's press new, and it's loading. So this has been my other outros I've been using before, and you can see usually it has other templates that you can choose from, but I want to try to make a new one. So let's make a new one. So what this is, you guys could see that it's loading. So what this is I can upload one, or I can use one. So I didn't show you that you can use one, but there is, when you do go to this, I will put the link in the description below. When you use this, it gives you features, other outros that you guys can use, but I'm going to show you guys how to make one. So I'm going to upload one. Let's upload one. Goodness. And go to documents. There's one here. No. Pictures. Let's see. I really do not want to bore you guys out. I'll pause the video till I find my outro. Hi guys, I am back. I finally found my thing, but this is not the original one. I was trying to find another one. I think I lost it somewhere on my computer, which kind of sucks. So when you choose an image, it usually says that you have to crop it. So let's crop it. Unless you found an image online that you can already crop, that's wonderful. Besides that, in order to get a photo and you want to add text, this website does not add text for you. Just to let you know, it does not allow to have text. So I use PicMonkey. You can see right here. I'll put also that link in the description below for you guys to see. You guys can use PicMonkey to edit your text. Be sure that when you're editing your text, that you don't make it too big. You make it like at a certain size where this little box can catch it, because it will only take that much. So today I am gonna show you how to make your own. So what we're gonna do is we can add background audio. So let's go do that. So you have to, in order to do this, I should make another video of how to add background download music and stuff. So let's go soundtracks. Let's pick Venos. Yeah. Let's pick that one, and I'll show you what that is. I picked that one. It's should be good. What this does is make where your outro has background music at the end, and I'll show you the video at the end after making this. Sounds like this. Oh damn. I better turn on the music. Holy shit, I don't even know. Yeah, but that's what it is. And then, so we're gonna go to custom draw. This is where you add your YouTube video at. Let's go right here. I don't want to make it too big. So let's make that one a little smaller. Let's make this a little bigger. I honestly like making my things like this. And this one the biggest right here, the most. Okay, so that's how I add it. Now for this, we're gonna, for the subscribe, so this is where your videos will be placed and be seen at, and yeah, and all that stuff. With the external link, you can, let's do the subscribe button. The subscribe button is right here, so we just add that right here. And we can make that a little bit smaller, just fit in, yep. So that's how it will look like. Subscribe is where people can actually click on that and actually subscribe to your channel. Now the external link, let's try that. We're gonna press this. We need to get a text. Let me see. I'm recording, so I'm not even sure. Let's try it. So with the external link you put on, you like do the same thing like with the subscribe button, and you just drag it on there, and then just like it's a link where people can click to for your for a link to your Facebook, a link to your YouTube channel, a link to a certain video, again, I don't know. So yeah, a link to anything. So let's try this. I'm gonna copy it. Let's close window. Close window. I already saw this video too many times. Bloody killer. Close window. Oh my gosh. So close window. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So let's try it. So we're gonna do this. Add your link. And did it do it? Guess not, because the computer is going slow. Yeah, and so that's how you basically do it. If you have more links and you add more pictures, like a Google plus icon, a Facebook icon, like I do that, or a Twitter, I don't know. You guys could do that. So let's press save. The next step is save your thing. And it's also good to press on your outro to make things like thanks for watching, see you guys next video and stuff. So this will be your thing you'll be using. So let's click next. You don't need to do anything else besides that. The little other things on the bottom is other outros you have. So what we do over here at this app is say select your videos. So you guys select your videos. I'm gonna select, let's go say I want to select that, and Shrek is Love. Yes, Shrek is Love. I love that video. That was a funny video. And so and then select video duration. So let me turn down the volume because this is gonna be freaking loud as hell. So what you do at this part of the stage, okay, so what you do is you go pick the certain part of your video you want to show in your outro, and yeah, and it will look like this. See? It's my computer is really slow, the Wi-Fi. What the heck? What's happening here? What's happening here, Shrek?
Oh my gosh. I thought that person was just
So let's pause that real quick.
You know what? Never mind.
And let's just press finish because I know the computer really did catch it.
Holy
Wait. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, the video had to cut off because the video was getting to 10 minutes. I really wish I paid for that new stupid thing so my video can record longer. It really is a pain for me to stop a video and then start a new one like I am doing right now. So when you get to the screen, when you press finish from that, this thing will load up and status. It will look orange with a little loading bar. And yeah, that's when you wait. So what you're gonna want to do next is download it onto your computer. It will say it will download. The percent will be right there, and then it says security run. And this works on anything. Your Mac. This program will work on anything. Not a program, website. And then you put folder, view folder, see where to download it. And usually the download is on under downloads. So usually it's under downloads. So you can look at under downloads in your computer, be like right there. Let's get the screen up. I really how do I exit out here? Besides that, so yeah, this is how you do it. Now I want to show you guys how to add your annotations to this video. So I'll show you that. This is gonna be a real pain. It really is. What the heck? Let's close that. And so yeah, this is how you do it. So let's preview it. Let me turn down my volume. There. The icon means to preview it. This means to download your video into computer. This means to delete the video. These little signs mean you can edit the name. So let's go say fake. So I'm not going to use this outro. This is a tutorial outro. So let's preview it. It's loading. I'll show you guys a couple of outros I made. One for me, the current one I'm using right now for my videos. And that's how it goes. This is the one I'm using right now. They're not all that bad. I actually like them. I know I could have maybe done better. So yeah, guys, that's how you use it. I'll show you guys right now how to go and edit this on your thingy. I'll be right back. So I am back, guys. So you can see I am on my YouTube channel. What you want to do is go to Video Manager. So let that load up. What you do is basically you add the annotations at the end of your video. So let's go to Mineplex Survival Games Kushi Islands Solo. And so what you do is you go to under annotations, and when you go under annotations, you have to what do you call it? Leave this page as I'm not doing anything to this. I don't know why it always asks me that. So you go under annotations, and it's still loading. And yeah, that's what you do. You go under annotations. It's loaded for such a long time. It really is. It really is. This gets annoying. Okay, so let me explain. Well, it's not. So what you do is you go to the part of your video where your outro starts. So when you're editing your video, make sure you add your outro into your video. And if you also have an intro too, that's great. But make sure when you're editing, make sure you put your outro inside your video. When you go to annotations, you go to the part where your outro starts in the video, and then you add your annotations to it. And this is what it should look like. If I had my video, see these little icons right here? These are where I can click to go to these websites, or where the video is trying to take me. So that's how it should be looking like. It shouldn't look any more different. You just add them, you make sure it fits in that little box and stuff, and that should be it. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys watch my videos. Make sure to subscribe. I know I lost a couple of my subscribers. Too sad. But anyways, so make sure you subscribe and like my videos, and I'll make more tutorials soon. I hope you new YouTubers, I know I'm a small YouTuber, but I know a lot to do all this stuff. So make sure to stay tuned with my videos, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.